Welcome to FacilityBot. In this video, we will walk you through the Repair or Replace recommendation feature in Asset Insights. FacilityBot's Asset Insights allows users to analyze historical maintenance data and generate recommendations on whether an asset should be repaired or replaced. By leveraging completed checklists, the system provides data-driven guidance to support maintenance decisions and cost optimization. To get meaningful recommendations, ensure the asset has 10 to 20 completed checklists with accurate data. Checklist fields must be consistently filled, including condition checks and performance indicators. To configure this feature, log in to the FacilityBot web portal. Go to Features, then Assets. Hover over the relevant asset and click on the History icon. Navigate to the Insights tab. In the prompt field, enter, "Based on the maintenance record of this asset, recommend if I should repair or replace this asset." Click Generate. Asset Insights will analyze checklist trends such as recurring issues. It will review the frequency of failures. It will evaluate overall condition indicators. It will provide a recommendation on whether to repair or replace. It will include a summary of findings such as recurring issues or isolated faults. It will give supporting reasoning based on historical data. This feature enables users to analyze historical maintenance records and generate data-driven recommendations on whether an asset should be repaired or replaced, helping teams make informed decisions based on checklist trends and asset information. This supports extending asset life when appropriate, reducing unnecessary capital expenditure, improving maintenance planning, and enhancing overall asset lifecycle management. Thank you for watching. For more guides, visit FacilityBot Help Center or reach out to our support team.